How are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start Unit 6 Sports and Entertainment. Chapter number 43 Cricket Fever. So India has participated in all the Cricket World Cup. During these tournaments, some extraordinary performance has been recorded. Write the names of the Indian cricketers who performed the feats given below. Choose from the box. Number 1. In the match against East Africa during the 1975 Prudential World Cup, this left arm spinner bowled the most economical spell in the history of one-day cricket. 12 overs, made in 6 runs, 1 wicket. India won the match by 10 wickets. Okay, which spinner ये है? बिशन सिंह बेदी. Number 2, he won the Man of the Match award in both the semi-final and the final of the 1983 Prudential World Cup. In the final against the mighty West Indies, he scored 26 crucial runs, took 3 wickets. Mohinder Amarnath. Number 3. In the match against Zimbabwe in the 1983 Prudential World Cup, India were tottering at 17 runs for 5 wickets. He scored 175 unbeaten runs of 138 balls. Okay, sharing a 126 runs unbroken meant wicker stand with Syed Kirmani. India won the match by 31 runs. Kapil Dev. He was the highest scorer of the 1996 Wills World Cup and 2003 ICC Cricket World Cup. He won the Man of the Tournament award at the latter, scoring 673 runs and taking 2 wickets. So, who is? He is Sachin Tendulkar. In the 2003 ICC Cricket World Cup playing against England, this left-arm medium-fast bowler took the best ever figures for India in World Cup history. 6, 4, 23. India won the match and he won the Man of the Match award. ये है आशीष नेहरा. Six. In the final of the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup, he was the top scorer for India with 97 runs. He shared a match-winning partnership with his captain, okay, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Gautam Gambhir. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 44. Sporting star. Identify these sports, people whose distinguished contribution have made them legend. Okay, 1. Flawless on the clay court, she won 2 Australian Open, 7 French Open, 3 Wimbledon and 6 US Open single titles. So she's Chris Evert Mills. Chris Evert Mills. He has 4 World Billiard Championship title to his credit and is often referred to as Bombay Tiger. Michael Ferrari. Michael Ferreira. Ferreira. Number 3. He won gold medal in all 7 swimming events in which he participated at the 1972 Olympics in Munich, Germany. Number 3 is Mark Spitz. Nicknamed the Emperor, he was the star of the German football team in the 1960s and 70s. Don Fraser. She is the first woman swimmer to win gold medals in 3 consecutive Olympic Games. Number 5 is number 4. Number 4 answer is Franz Beckenbauer. Five. She is the first woman swimmer to win gold medals in 3 consecutive Olympic Games. Dawn Fraser. Number 6. One of England's most successful opening batsmen, he played 100 test matches, scoring 8,114 runs at an average of 47.72. Geoffrey Boycott. The first Asian to win the Wimbledon Junior Singles title, he was the world number 3 tennis player in 1960. Ramanathan Krishnan. He ranked among the top welterweights and middleweights of all time and was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame in 1919. ये है Sugar Ray Robinson. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 45. Paralympics. This chapter only for reading. Disability is no handicap. That's the message of the Paralympic Games, the official Olympics for athletes with physical disabilities. Okay. So the Paralympic Games are similar to the Olympic game except that only athletes with a physical disability can compete in them. So there are the Summer Paralympic Games and the Winter Paralympic Games, which are held immediately after their respective Olympic Games. So the city that hosts the Summer Olympic Game and the Winter Olympic also hosts the Summer Paralympics and the Winter Paralympics. Both the Paralympics are governed by the International Paralympic Committee. Athletes compete in 6 disability categories. The first Summer Paralympics were held in Rome, Italy in 1960. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil will host the next game in 2016. The first Winter Paralympics were held in Åskål, Sweden in 1976 in 2010 and Vancouver, Canada hosted the games. Okay, in 2014 they will be held in Sochi, Russia. India has never participated in the Winter Paralympics. Trisha Zone of USA has won the most medal in the history of the Summer Paralympic Games. She won 55 medals, 41 gold, 9 silver and 5 bronze. Between 1980 and 2004, she is visually challenged swimmer. Okay, Ragnhild Myklebust of Norway has won the most medal in the history of the Winter Paralympic Games. She won 27 medals, 22 gold, 3 silver and 2 bronze in different events between 1988 and 2002. Oscar Pistorius of South Africa is a champion sprinter. He is world record holder in the 100, 200 and 400 meters event. So he is popularly called Blade Runner and the fastest man on no laps. Devendra Jhajaria is India's first and only gold medalist at the Summer Paralympic. He won the medal in javelin throw at the 2004 Games held at Athens, Greece. It's fact, beside the Paralympic, there are 2 other international competitions for people with disabilities can compete. The other is the Deaflympics, in which only hearing impaired athletes can compete. Okay, so the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 46, Martial Arts. The word martial derives from Mars, the Roman god of war. Okay, so martial art refers to the various systems of training for combat sports. So read each of the descriptions and name the martial art. So number 1, in Japanese, its name means empty hand. This art involves the use of weaponless techniques such as punching and kicking to defend ourselves against the opponent. So it is karate. Number 2, this martial art form is believed to have originated in China. It has been influenced by the philosophies of Buddhism. So Confucianism and Taoism, it has hundreds of styles and techniques. Some forms use weapons such as swords. So it is Kung Fu. Number 3, an Olympic event, its name means the gentle way. This Japanese art form focuses primarily on throwing and ground fighting techniques. So number 3 is Judo. Number 4, the national sports of South Korea stand for the way of the foot and feet. It's known for its striking and athletic kicks. Okay, so it is used by the military of South Korea as a part of hand-to-hand combat training. So this one is Taekwondo. This martial art originated in China, often considered a soft style. This art focuses more on the internal power of the participant. So while the physical movements can be used to defend oneself in combat, it also stresses upon health and meditation. It is Tai Chi. Number 6, a standing sport. It combines style of boxing and kicking. It is often to practice for self-defense and general fitness. So this is kickboxing. Number 7, a form of Japanese fencing. Its name means the way of the sword. The participants are well protected in armor and use bamboo sticks. They often shout out to express their fighting spirit. ये है Kendo. 8. The goal of this competitive contact sport is to force the opponent out of a circular ring called doyo. Professional players stay in training schools known as Hia. So this is sumo wrestling. Sumo wrestling. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 47. India at the Asian Games. The Asian Games are held every 4 years. India has participated in all the games, including the 2010 games at Guangzhou, China. Read the clues and write the names of these sportspersons who kept the Indian flag flying high. Choose from the picture. She represented India in the 3 Asian Games and won a gold medal, 2 silver medals and a bronze medal in middle distance running. ये है Shiny Abraham. Number 2. She is India's most famous athlete. She won 4 gold medals and a silver medal at the 1986 Games at Seoul. In the next 2 games, she won 4 more silver medals. PT Usha. Okay. Number 3. He won a gold medal shooting at the 1994 Games at Hiroshima. In the 2006 Games at Doha, he won 2 more gold medals. Jaspal Rana. Number 4. She won gold medals in 800 meters and the 1500 and the meters at the 1998 Games at Bangkok. So who is she? Jyotirmoy Sikdor. Fine. She won the gold medal in long jump at the 2002 Games at Busan. 4 years later, she won the silver medal in the same event. Anju Bobby George. Number 5. He won the gold medal in billiards at the 2006 and the 2010 Games. Pankaj Advani. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 48. Spatial sport. This chapter only for reading. Hang gliding. Hang gliding is a popular sport. Gliding is fly without using engine power. In this sport, the pilot is suspended from the glider by a harness and a trapeze. Like bar gliding, experts aim to get the diamond badge. This honor is gained when they achieve a 4,000 meter gain in height, fly 500 km or more cross country, and also fly 300 km or more to a specified goal. Skydiving. Skydiving is a parachuting sport in which the skydivers jump from specially prepared aircraft. They perform maneuver in the air before or after opening their parachutes. The part of the jump before the parachute is opened is called the free fall. During the free fall period, the divers maneuver close to each other to hold hands. So they try and open their parachutes as late as possible. The closer they are to the ground, the better the achievement. Water rafting. Water rafting is a popular sport in India and uses a rubber raft to maneuver through rapids of white water. In India, river rafting can be done on the beach in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on the Ganga and its tributaries. Parapenting. Parapenting began later in the same decade and is the sport of gliding by means of an aerofoil parabite launched from light ground. The current long distance record in this sport is 340 km. Skiing. It is an art of propelling oneself among the snow while standing on skies with the aid of poles. Alpine skiing consists of the downhills and slalars, zigzag courses, tour markers, which are races against the clock. Nordic skiing incorporates cross-country skiing, the biathlon and sky jumping. Biathlon is a combined test of cross-country skiing and rifle shooting. Answer the following sports with the help box. Okay. When two or more mountaineers are tied at intervals onto a rope, they are called the Number 2. In which winter sport is the participant tied with face downwards to a small sledge which is heading down a slope of hard snow at terrific speed? Skiing. Number 3. In which sport the diver jump from specially prepared aircraft? Steel bladder attached to boots. Tobogganing. Skiing, skydiving, just skating. Aircraft. It is rope. In which snow sport can the participants make a jump in the air, come down and move on? Skating. In which ice sports does the participant move about forward, backward or in figure of 8 over ice by means of steel bladder attached to boots? Tobogganing. Tobogganing. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 49. Some sports terms. Fill in the blanks. If the feet of the bowler crosses the bowling crease, the ball is declared a no ball. When the batsman is out without scoring a single run, it is called duck. If one team in a test match is leading by 200 or more runs, even when the other team has finished its first inning, it may ask the other team to bat for the second inning also. So this is called follow on. Number 4, dash is applied to those runs which are made when the ball has neither touched the bat nor the body of the batsman. It is by. When the ball hits the leg of the batsman in such a manner as to check the ball from hitting the stump, it is called LBW. Dash is a type of ball which to be a leg spin but comes as off spin. Googly. Question number B. Match the following. Let me start. Cannon, billiards. I refers to a strike in which the player strikes the red ball as well as his opponents. So it is I. 2. Bodyline bowling. Cricket, it is G. A sort of a bouncer when the ball bounces to touch the body of the batsman. It is G. Bully, yani ki hockey. Number 3rd, it is H. Putting into play the ball at the start of the game or after each goal. It is F. Backhand, tennis, it is no. H, na? This is H. Backhand tennis, F. A stroke made by the back of the hand, F. 5. Checkmate, chess. J refers to a move which will ensure the killing of the king on the next move. It is J. J. T. Golf. 6 is D. Small conical support on which ball is capped before striking. The option is D. Number 7. Grand Slam. B. If a player wins all the tricks in bridge. So it is B. Number 8. Rabbit punch. C. A blow that falls on the back of the neck. It is C. Number 9. Foot fault. A. When an athlete puts his foot on the marked line where he is permitted to put, he is considered to be guilty of this term. So option is A. Number 10. Volley. E. When the ball is struck hard to send it sharply downwards. So option is B. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 50. Rhythmic beats. Music is one of the most popular means of entertainment in the world. Look at the pictures, read the description and write the names of these musical instruments. Number one. Dash is a small Chinese board string instrument with Mongolian organs, a stick-like wooden neck and a wooden resonance. Chamber covered in python skin are strung with 2 silk strings. The bow is an integral part of this instrument. So this is Eru. Chinese है ना ये. Number 2. Dash appears like the inside of a grand piano with as many as 125 strings running the length of a wooden box resting on 4 legs. He has cymbalan. Dash was invented in 1919 by Leon. This instrument are unique in the sense that the player doesn't touch the instrument while playing it. ये है Dearman. Number 4. Dash was invented by Canadian scientist and artist Rian Jensen. It is the only water-powered musical instrument on the planet. So number 4 is, this is hydrolophone. Dash is a combination of bowed instrument and keyed instrument, which is why it is called a keyed fiddle in Sweden, where it was invented. So the number 5 is nickel harpa. Number 6. Dash invented by Gökhan Sen, a Turkish musician. It sounds like a string quartet and its echoes are positively alien. ये है ये बाहर. Dash is a stainless steel dubbing nylon and synthetic fiber instrument with a dual harp configuration sporting 24 strings. This is Gravichord. Dash originated in West Africa. It is a rustic string instrument used at tribal social gatherings. Accounting. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 51. Okay, this unit is complete. Okay, so all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand and enjoyed it. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you.